In this video, I'm going to teach you how to share Typeform results. In order to do that, you first need to head over to typeform.com and you should be able to see in here this part. So what you can do is you just need to click onto this Get Started It's Free in order to create an account. Or you can also click onto the sign up option that we can see right here in order to sign up directly. Now, on my case, I already created an account using this method, so let me just proceed to log in by clicking onto this login option that will appear into this part. Now here is my actual dashboard. So you can see right here all of the responses that you have collected so far, and this responses meter will reset every end of the month. Now do take note into this part that you can actually get a plan that can accept unlimited responses or a certain number of responses as well. So on my case, I have in here this form with 2 responses. So let's try to share the results from that. Let's click onto this form right there. Then you should be able to see right here the form editor. Once we're into this part, what you can do is you can see in here under the upper corner, we have these tabs. Click on the this results option. After that, you can see all of the results that you have created so far. We have in here the big picture. We also have in here the summary of those results, as well as the responses for those particular results, how many and what are the answers for those as well. You can also click on the responses option right here if you wish to see it one by one. Now, if you want to share these results, we can actually generate a report based on this. Click on this generate report, and then after that, just wait for it, and it will generate a report based on the results that you have for that. We have in here this, we can just enable a link that can share this report, or we can also print it out according to our printer specification. So you can either share it by a link or print it out. So that's how you share Typeform results. Hope we helped.